Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you on how to view, edit, and delete saved passwords on Edge browser. All of us are aware of the modern browser Edge in Windows 11 and 10 operating system. It comes with several features, including vertical tabs button, install and uninstall themes, save memory with sleeping tabs, resetting browser settings to default, etc. Out of several features, one is managing saved passwords in the Microsoft Edge browser. While browsing the internet, we use several login credentials for different websites, for instance, log into Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, etc. If you are using different usernames/email addresses and passwords for different accounts, it is challenging to remember them. Especially if you're following the best security practices and using complex combinations. That's why all modern browsers come with a built-in password manager. The inbuilt password manager remembers the passwords for you, and when you revisit the same website on your behalf, it fills in the login credentials. Here, the password manager becomes handy for most PC users. When it comes to security, they aren't perfect. For instance, the Microsoft Edge Password Manager claims that your passwords are encrypted, but its exact algorithm remains a mystery. So if you want to take control of your sensitive credentials, it is possible in the Microsoft Edge browser, similar to the Google Chrome Password Manager. Here is how to do it. How to view, edit, and delete saved passwords on Edge browser. To view, edit, and delete saved passwords on Edge browser, first open Edge browser on your PC. Then, click on the Settings and More icon button in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. Now, click the Profiles option from the left side. And then on the right pane, select Passwords. On the Saved Passwords section, you can see the URL of the website, username, and password, which you have stored or saved during the visit to a particular web page. Next to the website URL, click the three dots menu to copy, edit, or delete the saved password in Edge. Once you click any options copy password, edit, or delete, Edge will prompt you to provide Windows password to execute the task. You need to enter the current login password and click the OK button to copy, edit, or delete the password stored in the Edge browser. If you just want to view the password of any website, click on the I button beside the web page address. Here, you need to enter the current login password and click the OK button to see the password stored in the Edge browser. That's it. Let me know how this video is. Do you like more videos like this? Subscribe to our channel, Gear Up Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.